And everything else, the publisher and whether the author knows me or not, is not important. It is because I believe, and I genuinely do, you have to be blessed to be able to write a book like this. It's difficult to be a writer, I agree. Not everybody can become an author, but everybody can write. But not everybody can write a book on a subject of divinity. You have to have faith, you have to have feelings, you have to believe, and even that God has to will that you write it, only then it happens. And the reason I say this is because I have written 12 books and all of them are on cinema, and only one book is on Lord Krishna. And I didn't plan that book. It just happened. I heard an audio of this book in Gujarati, and just for 5 minutes I heard it and I said, I'm going to translate this book. Can the mics work, please? I sent a message to the author that I will translate the book, and even though I'm born and brought up as a Gujarati, because I've not studied Gujarati, it was very difficult for me to translate. But I refused to give up. And every day I would go, I was writing the whole day, I could not understand the words. I had sent copies to everybody in my sister's in-laws. I'm sorry, I'm just saying a little more about my book. And I would talk to them and ask the meanings of the words which I was not understanding. And then that time I didn't even know computer, so I would write it down. And then I had hired 3 students who would come 10 to 12, 1 to 3, 4 to 6 to type it out. And in the evening, every day I would go to the Krishna temple and I would tell the Lord that I don't know why I'm doing this, and I don't know the subject and I don't know the language. So you come into my heart and you come into my hands and you write it. And I believe to this day that I have not written that book, he has written it, and the language is completely different from my other cinema books. The reason I'm giving this prologue is because when I was reading your book, I was thinking about you, your parents, your background, what is the catalyst? What happened? Why did you get inspired into it? Why did you write this book? And then I started reading it, and let me tell you that it is I won't say it's a difficult book. It is not a difficult book, but it is the words, the names, the kingdoms are not something that I'm familiar with. So I would look at it, I kept it by my bedside, and every night I would read a few pages. And then I told myself, I'm not going to give stress on the names and remembering the characters. I'm just going to get involved in the narrative. And once I told myself that nobody is going to ask me, so what did you think of Ruchi? I was comfortable with it. It's a very, very lucid prose, very passionate and engagingly written like a fiction. The conflict for me always when I feel I'm reading about divine characters or I'm watching a television serial about divine characters is that did they behave like that in Satyug and are we copying them in Kalyug? Or are we projecting our gestures, thought processes to these deities and making them human? It's something I have not been able to resolve. To give you an example,